Namaste. My name is Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Hope you liked my previous recipe about cherry tomato garlic noodles. Today I am going to show you a very simple recipe with potatoes which can be made anytime and anywhere. So guys, today we are going to make baked potatoes and here's what you need for it. So we need some chopped potatoes, salt and pepper, oregano for seasoning and some olive oil. So place the potatoes like this in the tray. Now go ahead and sprinkle some salt as per taste, some pepper, and then go ahead and sprinkle some oregano. Some olive oil as well. So let's go ahead and place this in the oven, set the temperature to 200 degrees and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So there we go guys, such a simple recipe yet very tasty. So if you would like to see more of such recipes, please go ahead and like and subscribe my channel Food Atomic.